Here's an easy-to-follow manual OpenVPN setup guide for NordVPN tailored for users in Saudi Arabia, or anywhere, which is useful if the regular NordVPN app won't connect or is blocked. You'll use the OpenVPN protocol with the OpenVPN Connect client, or OpenVPN GUI on Windows, and NordVPN config files. Why manual OpenVPN setup? The official NordVPN app auto-configures everything easiest method, but sometimes login pages get blocked locally and it won't work reliably without a manual method. Manual OpenVPN lets you connect directly to specific NordVPN servers using config files and separate clients, OpenVPN Connect on phones or OpenVPN GUI on Windows. Step by step, manual OpenVPN on Windows, best for desktop/laptop. Install OpenVPN GUI. 1. Go to open.net and download OpenVPN GUI installer for your PC, 64-bit/32-bit. 2. Run the installer and follow setup instructions to install the OpenVPN client. Get NordVPN OpenVPN config files. 1. Log into your Nord account in a browser. 2. Go to Advanced Settings, rightward arrow, set up NordVPN manually. 3. Choose OpenVPN configuration files and find the country/server you want. 4. Download the .op file for UDP, faster, or TCP, more reliable. UDP is usually faster, try TCP if UDP has issues. Add config files to OpenVPN. 1. Open your downloads folder. 2. Copy the downloaded .op files. 3. Open this folder, C:\program files /OpenVPN /config/. 4. Paste the .op files there. You might need admin permission. Optional, add this line inside each config file if you want to prevent DNS leaks, block outside DNS save after editing. Connect. 1. Launch OpenVPN GUI, it runs in the system tray near your clock. 2. Right-click its icon, rightward arrow, choose a server, based on your .op file name. 3. Click Connect. 4. Enter your NordVPN service username and password, strictly from the manual setup section, not your normal login. 5. After a few seconds, you should be connected, the icon turns green. You are now securely connected using OpenVPN. Step by step, manual OpenVPN on Android, using OpenVPN Connect. Download OpenVPN Connect, * from Google Play, install OpenVPN Connect. If the Play Store is blocked, you may need to install from Nord's official download or APK source. Get NordVPN config files * as on Windows, log into your Nord account, rightward arrow, set up NordVPN manually, rightward arrow, download your .op files, UDP/TCP. Import in OpenVPN Connect. 1. Open OpenVPN Connect. 2. Tap File, rightward arrow, import and select the .op file you downloaded, usually in Downloads. 3. Add a name if asked. 4. Enter your NordVPN service credentials when prompted. Connect, toggle the profile to connect. Accept the VPN permissions. You should now be securely connected by OpenVPN. Quick tips and troubleshooting. 1. Use correct credentials. Use the NordVPN service credentials shown in your dashboard under manual setup, not the email/password you normally use to log into the app. 2. Try TCP if UDP fails. If UDP, faster, doesn't connect or drops, try TCP. It's slower but more stable, especially on networks with blocks. 3. Choose nearby servers for better speeds from Saudi Arabia. Pick nearby regions or lightly loaded servers when possible. Manually selecting them in your config helps performance. 4. Website might be blocked. Some users in Saudi Arabia report that accessing the NordVPN login or server picker directly can be blocked, requiring a secondary VPN or a different network first. If that happens, try downloading configs elsewhere or ask support for alternative links. Important notes: OpenVPN is broader than the NordVPN app *. While you lose the one-click simplicity, you gain flexibility on devices or networks where apps don't work well. NordVPN still uses the same secure infrastructure behind the scenes, just configured manually. Summary: manual OpenVPN setup with NordVPN lets you connect securely even when the regular app fails, example due to local blocks in Saudi Arabia. The steps are: 1. Install OpenVPN client, Android, OpenVPN Connect, Windows, OpenVPN GUI. 2. Download .openconfig files from your Nord account. 3. Import files into your OpenVPN client. 4. Enter NordVPN service credentials and connect.